In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Canva to PowerPoint with animations. If you've ever created a presentation in Canva, you know how visually stunning and easy they are to design. But when it comes to transferring those beautiful designs into PowerPoint while keeping all the animations intact, it can feel a bit tricky. Don't worry today, I'm going to guide you step by step through the process, so you can seamlessly export your Canva presentations and bring them into PowerPoint without losing any of the animated magic. If you don't already have a Canva account, you can use the link in the description to sign up. Alright, let's get started. First, head over to Canva and log into your account. If you're new to Canva and don't have an account yet, signing up is completely free and takes just a minute. Once you're logged in, navigate to the homepage. Now look for the Create button, which is typically located near the top of the screen. Go ahead and click on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Presentation. Canva will then present you with a variety of templates to choose from. You'll see options for all kinds of styles and purposes, whether you need something sleek and professional or fun and colorful. Take a moment to browse through the templates and pick one that best suits your needs. Once you've made your selection, click on the template to open it. Now that your template is open, it's time to make it your own. Start by updating the text placeholders with your own content. Simply click on the text boxes and type in the information you want to include in your presentation. Next, replace any placeholder images with your own visuals. You can upload photos from your device or choose from Canva's built-in library. After that, adjust the color scheme to match your theme or brand. Canva makes it easy to customize colors with just a few clicks. Finally, if your template has animations, you can modify those as well. Click on any animated element to adjust its timing or style, ensuring everything flows just the way you want it to. Once you've finished customizing your presentation, it's time to export it. Head to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Share button. From the options that appear, select Download. This will bring up a menu where you can choose your file type. Make sure to select MP4 video as the format. This is crucial because exporting as an MP4 ensures that all your animations and transitions are preserved in the final file. After selecting MP4, click the Download button and wait for Canva to process and render your video. Depending on the size of your presentation, this may take a few moments, so be patient. Once the download is complete, your presentation is now saved as an MP4 file on your device. The next step is to bring it into PowerPoint. Open PowerPoint on your computer and either start a new presentation or open an existing one where you want to include the video. Navigate to the top menu and click on Insert from the drop-down options, select Video, and then choose the Video on my PC or this device option, depending on your version of PowerPoint. Locate the MP4 file you just downloaded from Canva and select it. Once it's inserted, you can move and resize the video on the slide to fit your layout. Position it exactly where you want it to appear during your presentation. And that's it. When you run your PowerPoint slideshow, the video will play automatically, complete with all the original Canva animations and transitions. So there you have it. You've successfully exported your Canva presentation to PowerPoint, keeping all the animations intact. This method ensures that your designs stay dynamic and engaging no matter which platform you're using. If you have any questions or tips of your own, feel free to share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.